side of the vegetable sector in low-income countries is characterized by low productivity, as you can see here on the screen with the example of tomato. To put these data in perspective, under fully controlled greenhouse conditions, and of course with vastly different varieties and management, Dutch tomato farmers can reach 600 tons per hectare. Adding to that, post-harvest losses of up to 40% or more add to difficulties on the supply side because of poor storage, transport, and processing capacity. Food loss means that all efforts, basically, to produce these vegetables are in vain, representing, of course, an unnecessary burden to the environment, besides loss of nutritious food and economic opportunities. Food waste, I talked about food loss, but food waste from retail to the consumer is not much of an issue in low-income countries. So I'll talk about food loss. A life cycle analysis conducted for urban tomato production in Benin, West Africa by French researchers showed huge environmental issues, in particular as related to pesticide use and excess application of nitrogen and phosphor fertilizer. Overall environmental impact of urban garden tomatoes in Benin were 4 to 23 times greater than the impact of tomatoes grown in European cropping systems. And that was due to low and variable crop yields, high fuel consumption for irrigation, large emissions of nutrients, and an excessive use of insecticides, raising, of course, concerns not only about environmental issues, but also about food safety. Increasing vegetable supply must be done in a way that is safe for the farmer, the consumer, and the environment. And this calls for training of farmers and input dealers and affordable traceability systems or other ways to enhance trust between producers and consumers.